Hi, I'm Ryan from iPRO Electrical. I'm here today with Professional Electrician magazine. Right, we're here today with RF Solutions. I'm going to be testing the new long-range wireless switch. I use a lot of kinetic switches, especially on garden designs, what I do, on a lot of domestic properties. But sometimes is what you find if you do a really large domestic property, after around 30 metres or something like that, it'll struggle. So today we're going to be testing the new battery powered RF wireless switch. Right, so this is this transmitter. It's in an MK Master Seal Plus at the moment, but what's really good about this is this can be wired into any light switch, whether it's a click mode, click deco plus, any switch you've got, MK, whatever manufacturer you use, so you can incorporate it within your existing switching arrangements. Right, so this is his L1, this is his load for this light, so we're going to connect this into L1. Obviously there's live and then neutral. And connect his neutral in there. This is his permanent, this is his supply. So again, that's obviously on permanent side, it's going in live. This is his supply neutral, obviously connect that in neutral. That's it, done. Right, so we're around 150 metres away from the light what we've installed. What we're going to do is we're going to turn it on from here and show you that it's working down there. Turn it off.
Back on. Yeah.
So we've got a MK Master Seal Plus switch at the moment. It's IP66 rated. Reason we're using this in this environment is because it's going to go where the workshop is, so there's a lot of oil and stuff. But this switch, which is his receiver, that could go in here, this is a click deco switch, I believe. So we could literally change that to be a 2-gang switch, fit that there. Then you'll be able to obviously turn the second switch for the floodlight at the bottom of the unit. Be able to switch the light at the bottom of the yard on from here if we wanted to, which is really good. Also, you'll be able to fit on just a traditional white plastic switch if you wanted. It doesn't have to be click, it could be any manufacturer. It'll literally fit on any switch, which is one of the best reasons for it. Now, as you can imagine, as an electrician, to install a cable to switch, obviously over a long distance, we would have to run a SWA from there all the way over to there. So we won't be doing that because obviously one, it's going to be the cost of the installation, and two, the cost of the materials. So as you can imagine, on any large commercial site there's a lot of metal frame buildings and obstructions in the way. So this is why the RF Solutions wireless radio frequency light switch is a much better option than a traditional kinetic switch, because any obstacles it's got in its way, you can set on a higher frequency or a lower frequency and it'll work both ways. Right, so we're installing this here. You can see when it comes on and off, it's got a green neon as well. It just reduces costs so much. Literally all we need down there is a permanent live neutral and earth as well. Thanks for watching. I'm Ryan from iPRO Electrical, and please subscribe to Professional Electrician magazine. All the products and all the information is in the link below. Right, thanks to RF Solutions for providing the materials on this job, and I'll see you next time.